Okay, we're now going to start transferring our files from our H drive to our Google Drive. If you click the file place here on your taskbar or go to computer, either way, click Google Drive, and we are going to make this box a little bit smaller. The way that I've started doing this is putting my Google Drive over here on the left side of the screen, and then go to your H drive, and if you'll right click open in a new window, and I've already been working on this, so my window is already small, and I need to move it down a little bit here, but kind of get it placed so that you have both visible on the same page. Okay, and then what you'll do is you just start clicking and dragging over to your Google Drive. Okay, now let me make my Google Drive here full screen so I can show you how to make these folders. I'm starting to create folders, as you can see, of things that I use the most into different categories. If you want to add a new folder, you click New Folder, you name it. I think I probably need one that's called Spreadsheets, so I will name that Spreadsheets. Just click anywhere outside of it and it will add it. This is a spreadsheet that needs to go in there, so I can just take it and click it and drag it and it will go there. This one I just threw into the drive without specifying what folder I wanted, and it does need to go in my classroom document, so I'm going to put it over there. A lot of this is very easy because you can just click and drag and drop. Okay. Now once you have your folders set up, you can then have your H drive, that's where we are here, and just start going through your documents. As you can see, I'm on the F's. I've made it through to the F's alphabetically for my documents, and I have lots to go through. However, I've noticed that a lot of these are ending up deleted because they're old and I don't need them anymore and that kind of thing. So in fact, I remember editing this one, so I'm going to delete both of these because I've already taken care of those. So I can click both, right click, delete, and now they are gone, but they are in my Google Drive. If you want to check, you can open, and my figurative language quiz was there, and the other one, don't even remember what that was, but you can go back and check and just make sure you click back to your folders. I'm going to put this one, this actually just copies it into your classroom documents. Okay, looks like I've put it in there before, so it's the very same file. I'm not going to copy it, I'm just going to delete it, get rid of it because I don't want 2 copies. Okay, I have 3 documents here for a certain story I've done with in literature, and you can click on all 3 and then click and drag, and you can see that there's a 3 there, and it will take all 3 and copy. And then you can go over here and click delete. Are you sure? Yes. Let's just open this up and make sure that my flowers for Algernon items are there, and there they are, right in a row. If it has the green check mark, that means it is copied successfully. Sometimes you'll notice that there's a little sync, two little blue arrows on the folder, and that means it's working on copying it and syncing it. You can go through and these are all my Freak the Mighty items. I'm going to take them all and put them in classroom documents. That's probably my biggest folder so far. And see the blue arrows? It's working on that because there were so many. And then it turns a green check mark and it's all good. So I delete it, and now I'm almost to the G's. That is how you transfer items from your H drive to your Google Drive. You might check your documents file. I know I have a few things there. A lot of these things are in my H drive as well. I'm not sure how they ended up there or why they're there, but that's another place that you're going to need to clean up. Any questions, just ask. I'll be glad to help you.